Will there be ever a Nintendo Switch XL? Yes, Nintendo Switch XL. Welcome to the Game Daily. It is me, Jimmy, a geek. Yes, will be ever a Nintendo Switch XL? My opinion is mm, what I can analyze from the dock. You need to understand you can fit like a 7 or 10-inch tablet even in the Nintendo dock using the same current dock. Definitely, I will say no. They won't be. Why I'm saying that? Due to the Joy-Con. If you increase this, you can only increase the width, which means that making it like 18 by 9 aspect ratio, 19 by 9. But again, it won't work. You need a 16 by 9. I mean, so I don't think so. There will be ever a Nintendo Switch XL. No. My main argument against is that because you don't need a Nintendo Switch XL, you already have a portable device, connect with a monitor or PC and then play with it. Yeah, play with it. I hope you understand my point. So yeah, it was me, Jimmy a Geek. Make sure to check out the links in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe and bye.